Then when the butter's all cut up, you're going to put the pieces in with the stuffing mix. Okay, so then you can put those little pieces in with the stuffing mix.
And then I'll mix it.
You will. All right, first we start with this mix. So cut that, and then you're going to pour it in.
You're getting some scissors, bud.
Get some scissors, otherwise it goes everywhere. Okay.
Yeah,
Careful. Pour it in.
All myself.
Put it all in there. Shake it down there good. There's some little on the edges. Okay. Yeah, shake it in there. Okay, I think we got it. Yeah, I think Nana's going to take your picture.
Okay, just a second.
So, once it's cool, do you crush the ice or what?
It'll just peel off the ice.
Oh, okay.
Apparently.
We'll find out.
Come on up to the kitchen. Go ahead, throw it up.
And then he'll.
It's like, he's not up there.
Swedish Chef, you're going to practice his voice?
Yes.
And it says,
Chefy. That was funny.
all right, well, come over here, though.
And then
We're still missing something. He has a pink bow tie.
you have it in his belly.
Do you need to look in the mirror?
Turn around. Let me see what we got. Now you can go. Oh, okay. Thank you. Now you can go look.
You do have a Swedish Chef mustache. Now you look like the Swedish Chef.
Oh
Now
my
I'm gonna-
goodness. do another one.
All right. Are we ready to film?
We're starting. Oh.
And now I am making my juicy portrays. I am putting in strawberries. I'm putting in whipped cream. And now it is my strawberry.
What do we think?